This is task 2 of the Arduino project. We have 2 sensors and 2 actuators. The 2 sensors we have are a photoresistor and a tilt ball sensor, and the actuators we have are the fan and the active sound buzzer. Also, since we were using a motor for the fan, we need the onboard power of the Arduino wasn't enough, so we had to use a power chip. Also, we have another integrated circuit to drive the functions of the motor. We have the tilt ball sensor connected to ground. In pin 8, we have the sound buzzer connected to one wire to ground, the other to pin 12. We have half the integrated circuit is used to connect to the fan, and also has input pins for the both directions and to engage the motor. We also have the photoresistor here connecting to power and also going to ground. So you can see if I turn it on, connect to the 9-volt battery, the fan starts to spin. I cover the light, so in dark environment, the fan reverses direction, but continues to spin. I move the tilt ball sensor, it stops the fan from moving. Reverse it, it goes back on. Also, it makes that sound. And if I cover up the light sensor, it changes the tone of that sound. So as you can see, the photoresistor has action on the fan by reversing direction, and on the speaker by changing the tone, and the tilt ball sensor has action because it makes the tone turn on, engages the tone, and also stops the fan.